All right, we are gonna put this Duststopper Pro on this nasty old bucket and try and help save my vacuums from the filters getting clogged with dust and having to go out and clean those clogged filters all the time and breathe a whole bunch of dust. So we're gonna see how this does. Duststopper Pro. All right. Took the existing hose off of my vacuum and put the one that came with the kit. Now connect these up like so. Now I'll put my hose into the bucket for the sander. All right, we got our wood all nicely sanded. Let's just take a look and see what's in the bucket. Oh yeah. There wasn't much sanding here, but already got some dust going into there and not into there. Where this is a lot easier just to dump out in the garbage can and then keep on sanding. There we go, folks. The Duststopper Pro saves you money and time. Do I need to say anything more than that? Ahorre tiempo and dinero.